हाय एवरीवन। तो जैसा कि आप सब जानते हैं कि हम अपना ज़्यादा कंटेंट हिंदी या इंग्लिश में ही डिलीवर करते हैं और कभी भी क्लिकबेट यूज़ नहीं करते। सो लाइक ऑलवेज, even this is not a clickbait.
So what is this about?
For a long time, we have been creating content in Hindi and English because we felt that for many students, it is more natural and comfortable.
But we also kept hearing from a lot of you.
Students who are not very comfortable with Hindi or students who prefer learning completely in English.
For them, language, not concepts, was becoming a barrier. So we are launching an exclusive YouTube channel with content only in English.
So, as you can see, this video is in collaboration with our new Rodha YT English channel, that is Rodha CAT English Channel.
Now what this channel offers: guidance and strategy to perform your best in CAT, actually why just CAT, in all other MBA entrance exams as well. In LRDI specifically, you'll get the same high quality exam relevant sets with detailed explanations. Along with it, we'll share the complete LRDI roadmap and videos addressing your doubts. The emphasis would be on developing your thinking ability very methodically to help you improve your problem solving ability, maintain your consistency, and build your confidence.
Sessions breaking down CAT and OMET, RC passages and VA for you. Sessions building your critical reasoning skills, building your grammar and vocabulary knowledge. In addition, live Ask Me Anything sessions, videos on CAT and OMET, previous year trends, test-specific strategy, and roadmaps. The idea is that you shouldn't just build your VARC skills, but you should also be able to convert them into test performance.
For quants, we'll be focusing on concept clarity, we'll be solving in-depth questions, and we'll be providing step-by-step solutions to every single problem that we do, so that you not only learn the different varieties of questions, but you also get to learn the concept and logic behind it.
So what are you waiting for? Tap on the channel and check out the channel right now.